Welcome to our channel on health and wellness. I'm so glad you're joining us today as we delve into fascinating natural remedies that can easily be incorporated into your daily routine. In today's video, we'll explore the amazing benefits of drinking clove water at night. That's right, this simple drink, easily made in your own kitchen, might just hold the keys to better digestion, stronger immunity, and even a more peaceful night's sleep. From improving digestion to boosting immunity, clove water can be a game changer for your health. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Let's talk about digestion. We all know how uncomfortable it can be to feel bloated or sluggish after a meal. Well, clove water can be your ally in achieving smoother digestion, particularly when enjoyed in the evening. Cloves contain a special compound called eugenol, which acts as a natural carminative. In simpler terms, eugenol helps to gently stimulate the production of digestive enzymes in our stomachs. These enzymes are key for breaking down food more efficiently. Think of it this way. Imagine your digestive system is like a well-oiled machine. Clove water helps to keep those gears turning smoothly. By promoting better enzyme activity, clove water can help to prevent gas buildup, reduce bloating, and even alleviate indigestion. So, if you're prone to digestive discomfort, especially after a long day, a warm cup of clove water before bed might be just what you need to soothe and settle your stomach, allowing for more restful sleep and a refreshed feeling in the morning.
Now let's talk about immunity. We are constantly exposed to various bugs and viruses, especially during certain times of the year. Strengthening our body's natural defenses is crucial, and here's where clove water comes in as a surprising ally. Cloves are a powerhouse of antioxidants, those amazing compounds that fight off harmful free radicals in our bodies. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage our cells and weaken our immune system. Antioxidants, like those found in cloves, neutralize these harmful molecules, acting like little guardians for our cells. But that's not all. Cloves also possess antimicrobial properties, meaning they can help inhibit the growth of certain types of bacteria and fungi.
Moving on to another important aspect of well-being, managing inflammation. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many health issues. It's our body's natural response to injury or infection, but when it becomes persistent, it can wreak havoc on our systems. Remarkably, cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which has been scientifically proven to have potent anti-inflammatory properties. Eugenol works by targeting specific pathways in the body that contribute to inflammation. Think of it as a natural way to dial down the body's inflammatory response. This makes clove water potentially beneficial for those dealing with conditions like arthritis, headaches, and even certain skin conditions exacerbated by inflammation. Adding clove water to your nightly routine might provide a natural and gentle way to manage discomfort and promote overall well-being.
Let's face it, in today's fast-paced world, a good night's sleep can often feel elusive. Yet quality sleep is crucial for our physical and mental health. Now, you might be surprised to learn that clove water could be a secret weapon in achieving more restful sleep. Cloves possess natural calming properties that can help to relax the mind and body, setting the stage for a more peaceful slumber. While more research is needed to fully understand how this works, some studies suggest that certain compounds in cloves may have a soothing effect on our central nervous system. Imagine sipping on a warm cup of clove water before bed, allowing its gentle aroma and warmth to wash over you, easing you into a state of tranquility.
Finally, let's talk about oral health, an aspect of well-being that's often overlooked. A healthy mouth goes beyond just a bright smile. It plays a significant role in our overall health. Clove water can be a surprisingly effective addition to your oral hygiene routine, thanks to its potent antimicrobial properties. As we discussed earlier, cloves are naturally adept at inhibiting the growth of certain bacteria, and this includes the kind that can wreak havoc in our mouths. Specifically, clove water can help combat the bacteria that contribute to bad breath, plaque buildup, and even gum disease. Think of it as a natural mouthwash, freshening breath and promoting healthier gums. Gargling with clove water after brushing your teeth might just give your oral health regimen a natural boost.
Clove water is a simple yet powerful natural remedy that can offer numerous health benefits when consumed at night. From its ability to aid digestion and boost immunity to its potential to reduce inflammation and promote better sleep, this easy-to-make beverage might just become your new favorite evening ritual. From boosting digestion to enhancing immunity and promoting better sleep, it's definitely worth trying. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy.